Welcome once again to MHAB Daily. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you've had a good week and a fruitful one for that matter. Today I'm going to be bringing you a summary of all of the highlights that has been happening throughout the week with regards to artificial intelligence, and then within the tech space. This week rather has been like a slow going, not too much of the news, but then a bit of new updates, new upgrades, and then bits of news here and there. And today I'm here to sum it all up and bring you all of that which is important and all of that which should matter to you. I begin today with a story from Amazon. Now, Amazon unveils Rufus, an AI shopping assistant that can answer shopping questions and then recommend products as well as compare items. And so if you're an Amazon fan, you have an account with Amazon, you should check out Rufus. It has been released, and this AI is supposed to help you. There are times where you'd want to open so say you want to buy a product, you open one page, you want to open another page. Sometimes you need to open two screens or two different screens, and then you want to watch the reviews before you finalize or settle on buying a particular product. Now this time around you have Rufus, which is going to do that effectively for you. Give you all of the differences, price ranges, reviews, all on one particular page. And so you guys should check out Rufus by Amazon. And in other news, Meta plans to deploy its second generation custom AI chip codenamed Artemis. What does Artemis means? I need to find out that. Into data centers this year to reduce the reliance on costly Nvidia GPUs. A lot of these guys, especially these global players, global AI tech giants, are all in a race to reaching the peak of artificial intelligence, which is general artificial intelligence. And all of these things run on like really high powered chips and computing systems. And yeah, Nvidia is one of the companies that produces these chips, and I think for whatever reason I'm thinking there's too much monopoly being played by Nvidia. There's AMD as well, and there are other people in the market within that space, but then Nvidia seems to be like the go-to where everyone else goes to. I want to bring you this story. So AI can now detect ovarian cancer, which is pretty cool and news to hear. So researchers at Georgia Tech just developed a new diagnostic blood test for ovarian cancer using AI and metabolic data that can achieve 93% accuracy in detecting the disease. Now, the test analyzes compounds in the blood and feeds the data to the AI model to predict if ovarian cancer is present. The model calculates a personalized probability score for each patient based on each of their unique blood compound profile. It has tested this on 500 women with and without ovarian cancer. It significantly improved on their diagnostics approaches and then early detection. Now, why these things should matter to a lot of you is, Charlie, imagine if this thing is, ovarian cancer is one of the deadly or silent cancer killers. Mostly because you don't see it in its early stages. It's later on when it has grown to an age, or grown to how do you call it, until it's grown where its effect is being felt painfully. That's where a lot of people tend to detect the pain. But then with this system, hopefully ovarian cancer could be detected as early as possible, which is good news. If you ask me. In other news, which I would want you guys to really pay attention to, is the fact that this week Sam Altman had an interview. So OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said during a fireside chat at the 2023 Robin Hood Investors Conference that a one-person billion-dollar company will happen thanks to AI. And this is really fascinating. This is something that could be true. It's highly true if you ask me. In that it is easy for people to it's easy for one person with the aid of artificial intelligence to run like a one-man business, solely one man, and it's mainly because you just put things into place. You've put in a lot of AI tools into place, and they're just giving you awesome results, like giving you utmost reports on whatever thing you're doing. It is really possible. Now, this is what he said. So in an interview with a prominent business publication, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman made the bold claim that AI will enable a billion-dollar solopreneur, or what you would call a solo entrepreneur, within the next 5 to 10 years. Altman's prediction highlights the potential for AI to revolutionize the business landscape, allowing even a single person to create and scale a company to $1 billion status, which is very true. It is possible. Like, this could highly happen. It's the likelihood of this thing happening or occurring. It's very true. It's more like saying, you know, a single person can going into the future, and with where you know all of technology is being driven to. Okay, one person can run an entire business. Okay, using simply AI tools to run all of these things. Okay, at the end of the day, he's just reading. This one person is just reading reports, reading sentiments, reading whatever, just on one particular screen, and you have tools just doing the job for you. Okay, it is possible, but again, it depends on the kind of job, or it depends on the kind of business within which this person is in. Not every job, I would say, yeah, can be done fully by one person. It's always has to be like a partnership. You would need other hands, you would need people to, you know, get on board to execute certain things for you. So yeah,